Hello guys, good afternoon. We are in the kitchen now. So I make the buyo of the look bar, the dashi, the fish stock of Sibas. What I'm using here is ginger, garlic, lemongrass, puaro, onion leeks, and that's it. Onion white, no color. If you saute everything together, you saute. No color. And the fish carcass, how I say, the trimmings, bones, whatever fish, must be is clean well, no blood. Clean well, so it's good for the soup. Just always remember, if you're cooking, this will always take time. Don't rush. Rush is not good, 100%. Always take the time for your mise en place, and the result is really good. What I'm doing here, I'm using this one for the miso soup. This is the buyo, the dashi of lukbar only. After this one, I saute, I put the ice water with the glass and with the ice and the water, put together there. Why I put the ice? To release the flavor slowly of the fish. It's not strong fire. So the flavor is released slowly, not very fast, If you boil very fast, you not get the nice flavor of the fish. Same what you doing in the dashi, in the Japanese things, with konbu, you need to simmer slowly. There's temperature 60 degree, like almost 40 minutes or 1 hour. Then before you put the katsuboshi, right? So same here what I'm doing. This is what I'm doing also here. No color, no color. Just maintain the color blah. Just like you seared only but no color. The fire is low, medium, high heat. And then, when you put the ice and the water slowly the fire, just put 1 hour or 1.5 hour. No boil, just simmer only. After, you need to strain it. You need to strain it in the fine strainer. And then, because this one is still hot, you put in the hot water, in the hot again, medium high heat, put the konbu, let it rest like 20 minutes, no boil, and then you off, and then you put the katsuboshi. It's like infused, you understand? And this one, just believe it. You try it to your home or you're in the restaurant, really good stock for the miso soup or whatever you want to put in the paella. Yeah, in paella you can use, but you can put the stock of the mule, the mussels, You understand? Because this is very important in the paella, the stock, the fish stock with the mule mussels stock. Same here. So here, now I'm going to the bar. I will take the ice there. Sometimes I make my own ice in the freezer I put, but my staff, I don't know. They don't like to make the ice. Always forget. I'm tired to tell. Because we don't have ice machine here in the kitchen. All in the bar. But it's okay. Yeah, there. And then, I put the ice. Only like this. Mix nicely. Then I put the ice until boiled. And that's it, guys. And then I give you more recipe and the basic for everybody in the kitchen. This video is upload for everybody. If something you don't like, is fine. If you hate, it's fine. Thank you. If you like, thank you very much also. I hope you enjoy my video, and then I want to upload more video for tutorial. From knife skills, from everything. What I learned before in my chef, I will teach you. And also, yeah, for the sushi also, later I will teach you there in the sushi. All the basic I will teach you. This is for the beginners. Especially, number 1 in the rice, very important. Yeah, see you guys. And then I will make upload, how to upload again to show you how to do the proper one, this one already with the water. You see how clear, how smell good, how it tastes good. I will show you later another video. Take care guys. Thank you very much. I apologize to my English because I think it's like it's not direct because my language now is mixed with Darija, French, and English. Oh, I hope you are enjoy. Thank you very much. For the hater, thank you very much. For the subscriber, thank you very much. Everything. Thank you. See you guys. Take care always and enjoy your summer.